All right, here we are, guys. Quick shower remodel, 3x3. We have a float, nice and soft. It's not gonna be too bad to pull these off. Gonna be a quick, clean, 4 to 5 day project, large format to the ceiling. And we're going to use a new system, a new shower system similar to Schluter, and we'll go over that momentarily. All right, folks, our shower is demoed. The float's gone, new valve plumbed, everything is ready for our new PROFILITEC shower system. We'll show you this, made in Italy, fantastic shower system, foam tray, drain body, foam boards for the walls. Let's check it out. All right, we're unboxing now. Here is the curb. Very rigid. Keep in mind, we have not checked any of this out yet, so this is the first time for us. Looks like you can get at least 2 curbs out of this, or if you want a nice tall 6-inch curb, you can as well, but we like our low profile curbs. Here is the shower pan. Foam shower tray to accept the drain body. What's nice about this is it's already waterproofed with the membrane. Now this is a 48 by 48 inch tray. We're gonna cut it down. Our shower is a 3x3, about 35 inches by 35 inches. So it simply interlocks like this. And we use thin set to waterproof this seam here. Nice and rigid, proper pitch and slope already. You have your big roll of membrane to install over your hardy backer or drywall. You have your band here as well to cover the seams and penetrations. Let's open up the drain body here, guys. Again, PROFILITEC shower system, and they call this kit the ShowerTech, as you can see right there. Let's check out the drain body. Grate included. We may use this or the brush nickel, we're not quite sure yet. It feels like a very nice, solid piece of stainless steel. It's heavy, very heavy. Drain body. And I believe this is just to simply protect and keep debris out of the drain. And of course your corners, inside corners, outside corners. And your collar for the drain body. Now we're cutting the curb down, a nice 3-inch by 3-inch curb. Install some board in the back. Easy to cut with a circular saw. Now we're gonna cut strips out of the included membrane. We like to speed up time, not cutting out squares. Long strips to cover the screw holes and the penetrations where the adjacent walls meet. And I wanted to point out and mention you can obtain this kit and board at contractorsdirect.com. Great company. I buy a lot of tools from them, as well as shower systems. All right, guys, we're gonna be cutting the pan upside down. Tile simply to hold it together. And again, we're gonna use a circular saw, quick and easy way to cut, install this, much quicker than a dry pack, and we have confidence this shower system and this build will outlive us any day. All right, guys, what we're doing now is real simple. Dropping down the tray, laying a piece of pan tile on the tray so we can pull measurements for proper niche placement. We like to have fulls ending at the bottom of the niche. ShowerTech board, again, very rigid, much more rigid than Curdy board or Hydroban board. Washers not necessary, another thing that speeds up the time, and you can use any kind of galvanized or stainless steel screws. All right, guys, PROFILITEC will be coming out with their own niches, prefabs soon. In the meantime, we're gonna use our Schluter 12 by 20 niche. It's time to board up these walls, waterproof the walls, and then we focus on the pan. install the shower pan, install a curb, and in the same day, install our shower pan tile, which will be River Rock. All right, guys, you can either use a multi-tool or a Sawzall to cut out for the niche. And there you go, quick and easy. So, a really simple score, bend and snap, and you cut the back. Only tool necessary is a utility knife. To install our membrane curb pan tray, we're going to be using Schluter, all set here. All right, guys, our drain body here is PVC. Make sure to use ABS to PVC cement. Let's install.